Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to draw and color a colorful flower. It is really easy and fun, so let's get started. First we draw a circle right in the middle of the paper. Now let's add the petals all around the circle. I'm going to draw 8 of them. Start at the bottom of your circle and draw the curved U shape that connects back to the center. Try to make them a similar size, but it's okay if they are a little different, like these. And your drawing is ready. Time to add some color. Use brown color for the center. Now we color the petals to make our flower super colorful. We are going to use different colors for each petal, like these. First we choose parrot color, then we use red color, next we choose yellow color. Now we use sky blue color. Try to stay inside the lines. Don't cross the lines. Very good. Then we use green color. Keep going all the way around the flower using a new bright color for each of the 8 petals. Very good. Now we use orange color. Very good. In the last we use blue color. You did it very well. Great job. Very good. Then we use black marker to make it stand out. Like these. Very good. And there you have it. Our colorful flower is ready. Allah Hafiz.